Hi there, it's Laura again. It's day 10 of the 2021 Sustainable Living Fair. We're happy to have you here. Mid-Missouri Peaceworks and the Columbia Earth Day Coalition bring you this fair every year, packed full of information that you can use to make your life more sustainable and make the earth more sustainable. Tonight's presentation is going to be Gardening with Native Spring Wildflowers. That's a live Zoom. It's with Nadia Navarrete Tyndall, and she is the premier expert on native plants in this area. So if you have questions about native plant gardening, especially with spring wildflowers, tonight's your night to get those questions answered. Join us on the Zoom. I'll put the link to the Zoom in the description of this video that you're watching right now. So you can click right on that, go to the 7 p.m. Zoom when it's time. If you're here early and you have time, you can watch a previous presentation by Nadia. It was given at the University of Missouri, and it's on pollinating gardens. So there's another uh, great video of information for you to watch. And if you have questions from that video, I suppose that you could ask them tonight on the Native Spring Wildflower Zoom. All of our videos that we have done for the last 9 days are available on our YouTube channel. And I'll link that uh, below in the description of this video as well. And you can go back and watch any of them. You can watch them over and over if you want. But those will be up for quite a while, so you have plenty of time to get that done. But we have workshops on fermentation. We have workshops on mushroom cultivation, growing plants in the shade, um, composting, vermicomposting, tiny houses, lots of different information on sustainability. So please take time and check the rest of the videos out. And we really enjoy doing this presentation for you every year. And like I said, it's Mid-Missouri Peaceworks and Columbia Earth Day Coalition that bring you this, but we are also helped by the Columbia Center for Urban Agriculture, Missouri River Relief, Missouri River Bird Observatory, uh, the Sierra Club Osage Group, Mizzou Agroforestry. We're also helped along by the City of Columbia Office of Sustainability, the Boone County Stormwater Educators, and the Missouri Organic Association. So uh, all of these groups come together every year to help you be a more sustainable citizen, sustainable earth loving citizen. So we appreciate you coming. And if you have suggestions on things you'd like to see at next year's fair, please leave them in the comments. We welcome any comments or suggestions that you have about the video. Thanks for joining us. We hope to see you in the next 2 days as well.